Gold. 24K pure gold. That's what it says in the box. Now, does that name justify the content? Is it worth calling it a 24K pure gold? We shall find out. The reason we do unboxing of such things is so you don't go around wasting your money. So somebody has to do the dirty job, so it's us. We go and buy the perfume or anything out there in the market which you will be looking for in the future. We buy it, we unbox it, so you know we are not selling it. We are not the guys who gain anything from it, but we give you honest opinion and you have a genuine look at it without the special effects and all those glamorous commercials. So that is what it is in the reality. Box is impressive. As we look at the bottle, and so is the bottle. By the way, that is a lady's perfume and it's called 24K pure gold. And that name underneath, what on earth that means and where it is from, heaven knows. Looks and sounds like as if it is from the some magic kingdom of the gorges of, dark spells of those Lord of the Rings scenario. But so it looks nice and it lasts my 2.5 hours and it smells like one of the mainstream perfume. Thanks for watching.